So welcome guys to something new. I'm going to explain about how, not explain, but how to make a SAM server step by step. So yeah, I'm now recording in, XSplit. Normally that's for streaming, but now I'm using it for a screen recorder. Else I should, oh look at that, screen caption. Ooh, ooh. Okay. So yeah, and I'm recording my voice with Audacity. Yeah, that's not important actually. Why am I saying that? So first of all, what the fuck is this? No. Oh, god damn it, Michael, do your thing. So first of all, you have without files you can't. Well, yeah, I'm first gonna explain about the files. So without files you can't do anything. So you go to uh oh, I'm logged in. So go to the homepage of SAMP. So www.sa uh yeah oh damn it, how to say in English, and then amp.com. Then you go downloads, and then it depends on what you want to make. If you want to make a SAM server on Windows, then you download, then you click obviously on this, or a Linux. If you're going to make a Linux server, then you click on this. So I'm going to explain to, well, yeah, Windows. I'm using Windows 8. So you click on it, you download. Oh no, it's better to save it instead of run. So you save. No, it's downloading. 70, 78, yes. Security scan, why? So, okay, then close, then go to your downloads directory. So here it is. I'm going to move it to, oh no. Yeah, I'm going to move it to, oh god damn it. My mouse. No? I'm going to move it to my desktop. So this is downloaded file. It's a zip file with the, so yeah, it's a zip file, so you have to unzip it or unpack it or whatever with WinZip or 7-zip or yeah, I don't know. You have so much things. So yeah, then you have this. It's quite, if you're new to developing a SAM server, it's like, I don't know. I learned the script language quite fast because I learned it as, no, I learned C sharp and some web design languages on school. So I quite, yeah, I learned it fast. So you have some files, you have a few directories and files. So the first directory is filter scripts. Filter scripts are, yeah, how do you explain this? Those are actually scripts, but not, those are not the most important scripts in your SAM server. You can, uh, actually those are little scripts. You have to, well, let me open, oh, let me open an example, an easy one. The fs debug, going to open it with Programmer Notepad at the moment. So yeah, those are well. This is like how much lines does it have? Well, yeah, little scripts. Normally, it's used for little scripts to include them in your SAM server. So yeah, then game modes. A game mode is the most important script actually of your SAM server. Without a game mode, you can't run a server. Yeah, that's important. A game mode can variate, like, I don't know, you can have 10,000 lines or 5,000 lines. You just choose what you want to do. And yeah, here and when you download it, you have some basic game modes. As you see, you have one, two, three, four, five basic game modes. So yeah, scripts from 2008 and are here from 2013. No, that can be right. Okay, so yeah, game modes are very important. Then you have an directory include. I don't you can actually ignore this. I don't know why they are here, but they why aren't they in Pano include? I don't know. Just ignore it for now. Then you have NPC modes. This is like I don't know. Let me see. You have if you an NPC is an what is it again? A non damn it, a non-playable character or something. So actually, just a player that doesn't play. For easy saying. Uh, where is it? There are this and so on the SAM forum you can find a lot of useful information. Oh, god damn it, where is it? NPC here, yes. This is a here is a for creating a new and so a non-playable character, right? It's I don't use NPCs much. No, actually never. Or yeah, I made it once in one script. So yeah, then if you go back, yeah, okay. Just I'm not going to explain that too deeply. Oh, you're so deep. No. Okay, then you have directory Pauno. Pauno is the how to explain that again? Pauno is well the scripting language you use for a SAM server is Pawn. I don't know if Pawn is an abbreviation or something. I don't think so. But as you have C Sharp and Visual Studio, so Visual Studio is like a programming editor, and Pawn has that also. So you your script Pawn in Pauno. There is only there are other ways to script Pawn and something for I guess you can also have it in you can also script it in what is all Notepad plus plus. No, I'm wrong. Back. Oh, damn it. No? Come on, internet, yes, tutorials. Uh, yeah, see, pound for samp and notepad plus plus. As you see, like Slice made it. Yeah, if you want to script pound and notepad plus plus, you can follow this, follow this, follow this tutorial. So yeah, this is the main executable for the script editor. Uh, you can. There are some problems when you open it. If you just click on it, you will see fail to set data for. If you click OK, it's opened, but then you don't see anything in the right. You don't see functions or callbacks or whatever in the right column. If you want to prevent that, you can run it as administrator. See, now you have it. Now you have it. Oh, yes, can't. Or if you're lazy, you can edit something in settings settings dot oh dot no, what the fuck, don't open it with uTorrent. Genius. Open it with programmer notepad. So if you're lazy and you don't want to right click with run an administrator, or then just do file assoc is 0. So you save it again, and then normally you can just click on it and you will not see, yes, you will not have the error fails to set data for. So yeah, you have uh you have some workarounds to open that. I I always open it as administrator. Then you have the directory plugins. What the hell is that sound? Plugins. When you download it, you don't have plugins within it. Plugins are kind of useful. Yes, yes, they are useful. They are always useful. Uh, yeah, okay, that's good. Plugins, you can look to plugins. Wait, no, oh my god, you saw my face. You know. You can, so yeah, of course, there's some forums here, plugin development. You can use some plugins from here. I use kind, I use some plugins. I use MySQL plugin and the string scan format plugin from wireless. Here, wireless. 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 It's like wireless. I don't know. Yeah, that's like the base. It's like basic. You need that to have like a successful. Well, no successful, but like a stable server. And then if you download it, you put it here. I will explain that sometime, I guess. I don't know if I'm doing it good. Then you have the directory script files. Script files are like, I don't know how to explain. Script files are, as you see, you have, god damn it, my mouse. You have some txt files into directories. Well, in general, you can save the bug files, log files, whatever some files you can save in here. But for saving, you need, well, you can do it manually. So new and then, I don't know, yes, a text document manually, or you can do it by the script. So then you have announce.exe. So we're coming to the files, to the main files. Announce.exe is, well, it is important. It, no, as far as I know, it puts your server in the in the in the internet list, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, close that. Then you have a txt file sample license. Yeah, this is, I didn't wrote I didn't uh wrote no yes wrote I didn't wrote this at first time, but yeah, you, if you're just scripting a SAM server, you have to be careful, I guess. Then you have the next file, sump minus npc.exe. I don't know how I should call it, minus or whatever. So this is probably used for, so the non-playable characters. Well, yeah, I'm not. It probably don't get used if you don't use it. If you don't use NPCs. Then you have the sump minus server.exe. This, well, yeah, this is the main. This is the. Without this, you can't run it. So with that, without a game mode, you can't have a SAM server, and without that file, you can't run a server. And then the next file, without a server.config file, you can't do anything. So the config file is also important. If you see, you have, so it's like how does it call it? This echo, it echoes in the, but yeah, I don't, damn it, I can't remember it. So in the config file, you have several lines. First of all, you have LAN mode. LAN mode 0. If that's on 0, your server is not on a local area network, of course. If you set it to 1, then your server will run only in your LAN, so in your local, well, yeah, you know, in your local area network. It's not recommended to use it, or you can maybe in school if you want to run. I did that. I did that this year. I had to run a LAN server for some to play with my, oh, to, yes, to play with my classmates. Yeah, I did that for, thanks to Samp, I'm going to high school. It's quite a long story, but thanks to that game, I can go to high school. So yeah, the next line, the Rukon, I don't know how to pronounce it, Aircon of Rukon password, it it says change B, so please change it. So then it says, well, change me, yes, so I've changed it. Now, see, I have changed it. So the password is very, the Rukon or I don't know, Recon is like a system in the SAM server. It's not an admin system, but it's an found of an owner system. With Recon you can load filter scripts, unload filter scripts, restart the game mode, etc, etc. Yeah, you know. Without, you can all do those things without restarting the server. So yeah, I've changed the password. Then the next line is max players. It says, yeah, you know, if you read it, you already know what it means. So the number behind it is the max players your server could handle. So now it will have 50 player slots, now 51 player slots, now 52 player slots, now 1 player slot, now 0 player slots. I don't know if that's actually possible. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna test it after this. Then your port. The port is 7777 for default. You of course can change it to 1111 or 2222. I don't care. Whatever you want, but it has to be four numbers behind. It has to be four numbers. Yes, it has to be. Um, a port you should, if you run it on your local computer, you have to port forward possible. Well, yeah, 99% you have to port forward. You can, oh, I'm not gonna explain this at the moment, but you can Google it how to port forward, blah blah blah. There are also topics on the some forums. Oh, I don't know, you should you can look at then, so yeah, whatever. The host name, it seems like max players. If you read it, you know what it means. Is the name of your host, your host of the name of your server. So now it's called sump0.3 server. Yeah, that's that's it. Then you have game mode 0. Uh, First of all, this one is not required. You can just do this, and Grand Lark is the game mode that you will use for your server and is located in the directory game modes. So Grand Lark is actually this one. It uses the .amx. So just Grand Lark, you have to just is the name of your game mode without the extension. So don't do this. No, don't do. No, 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 no. But yeah, that's it. This so the zero is like, I don't know. I don't use it. The zero. What the fuck is the one? So the one is not required. Um, there are, if you see game mode 0, why don't you think why it should be just game mode? It's not because you can have game mode 1, game mode 2 until game mode 16, if I remember. You can have 16 game modes in your server.config. You Yeah, I will explain maybe later in the next video how to change between them, but yeah, you will see. Then you have the next line, filter scripts. So here, after filter scripts, you define all filter scripts you want to use for your server. It's now using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 filter scripts. If you download it, well, yeah, if you download directory it, I can say here GL real time is for your time and the server, and yes, your time and the server that is just real as your server time. So, or I don't know, if you have, so for example, if it's now so 11:30, so in real life, then if you include this filter script in your server, then it's also 11:30 in your server. If you don't include it, you just have clear weather and 12 o'clock in game. So yeah, and these filter scripts, of course, like game mode, the filter scripts are located here. Also, without the extension, you must include them here. You also can use no filter script, then you just leave it blank or just delete the whole line. And then next line is announce. Announce, well, if it's 0, your server will not be displayed in the internet tab. If it's 1, then your server will yes, it will display in the internet tab. And that's why announce.exe is probably used for. Then the next lines, query chat logging, well no, yes, the next lines, query and chat logging. Oh well, query 1 is fine, just ignore it. Then you have chat logging 0. If it's 0, it doesn't logs the chat in the server in server log.txt. So if you run the server, gonna yes, see, now you have server log.txt. If it's 0, it won't log the chat. So if you chat in the server, it won't be saved in the server log.txt. If you set it to 1, I believe it will. Well, yes, it will. It will log. Then the next, so if you, well, yeah, web URL. If you have a website for a server, you can include that here. Do it without the HTTP, else it won't get displayed. If you have a server like, I don't know, gonna see, I have a website, and so this site is actually this. And then you have on foot rate, in-car rate, weapon rate, stream distance, stream rate. Those are the default values. Just leave it, it's fine for me. I didn't edit it yet. So yeah. Then you have the max NPC. So it's like max players. So it allows how much NPCs are allowed to join your server. So no non-playable characters. If you have 0, if you don't have NPCs, then just let it on 0. If you use NPCs, for example, I don't know, if you're for backup or something, I don't know, of like random a taxi, or I don't care, I don't know. You have to increase it. I don't, yeah, 5 NPCs or 0. Then you have log time format. Log time format is used in the server log.txt. As you see, this is the format. So hour, minute, and seconds. Hour, minute, and seconds. You can have an all. You can change that. I use it. Yes, I use it. I use another format. Yes, I use this format. That's like, well, it's like the same. If you so day, month, year, and then hour, minutes, seconds. So if I change that to this, save it, then damn it, no, where is it? Here. And if you run it, no, then you see, then you have. So today's date 18/7th of 2013, hour, minutes, seconds. So yeah, it's simple. I use this format because you can also use this format. I don't know, whatever you want. So yeah, and then you have so the server log. For if you don't know that, it's not included, but if you run your server for the first time, it will create it. It will create the file, and it will save. Yes, it will save all possible, so errors, blah blah blah, loading, reading. It depends on what scripts you are using also. And then you have the server.readme. It's actually just what I it's everything what I just explained, but more like the parameters are an integer. Over an integer, wow, that's a waste of memory. Should be byte or something. 0 or 1 of, I don't know. So yeah, see, it's just if you if you forgot something, you can see this file, whatever you want. If you're well, yeah, if you're not, if you're allee, you're hesitating of whatever, I don't know. So yeah, those are the. Oh wait, I forgot something. If you have plugins, you have also to include them in your config file, else they won't be loaded. Oh, okay. So the line, I'm just gonna be if you have, damn it. Does it says here? No, it's local. No, no. Well, I mean, that's so. Yeah, gonna give an example for these two. So you have them in your directory. So in plugins, you downloaded those. Yeah, whatever you did. So you put them in here, and then you go to your config file, and then you add a line because it's not in for default. It's not in the line is not, well, yeah, included in the file. So you can add it wherever you want, I believe. If you just add it here, so it starts with plugins. Oh, plugins, or you just set it here or whatever here. It's the same. You just have to have the line in your config file. So this is if you use Windows like now, like my operating system, you use DLL files, dynamic link libraries, for your SAM server. Uh, if you use Linux files, if you if you, what the heck, if you use Linux operating system, you have to use the .so files. So I'm now using Windows, so I have to So MySQL, just the names without the extension, and scan s how to pronounce it, s string scan format, scanf, yes, it's like that. But so if you have these two, they they are going. So let's test it. So your some server hub. Oh damn it! Yes, it's local. So as you see, it loads. So server plugins, it loads plugins. It failed. You have seen the error. The scanf is loaded. So yeah, and total is loaded only. It loaded only one plugin. So yeah, and then if you have Linux, you use you use the .so files, but now you have to add the extensions in the config file if you use Linux. So yeah, I'm not gonna test it. I can't test it. So yeah, maybe so that's the most important about the files. I'm gonna see I don't have libmysql.dll on my PC, so it loads is so yeah it's actually so it loads the server log.txt, and everything what you see here will get saved to this file. So if you close it, it will still be here. So those are actually debug messages. You can debug things and show here. So it's loading filter scripts, it's loading, well yeah, then the property filter scripts, blah blah blah, and then the game mode. And then it shows always how much Firecall modules you are using in your server. Uh, I believe, yeah, I can explain that one more. The aircon, the Rukon, there are several commands you can use. Uh, I did save them once, yes, here. It's probably also on the wiki, on sump.wiki. Uh, damn it. No, I need this. So you have, if you're in game, you can use those commands. But first, you have to be logged in as Rukon. So if you have, oh damn it, no, if you have, damn it, here, if you have, so this password, I've changed it. Funny, it's so funny. I'm so funny, right? Okay, so if you have this, you have to go in game and you have to type the command recon login. It's no, it's no showing. So recon login password. Oh, password. So if your well yeah, as your password I've changed it, then you have to type in game. Then you have to type in game recon login. So recon login. I've changed it. So then you are able to use those commands. You can close the server. Well, yeah, just look at it. I don't. You will find probably somewhere. You can pause it here. So yeah, no, don't save it. So yeah, that's like the most important things about the files. So thanks guys for listening to my awesome voice, and I hope you learn something. It's not, I'm not going deep. I mean, yeah, I'm not going to, maybe later I'm going to Hmm. I want to do it like making so explaining the functions and whatever the callbacks and yeah, I will do that probably. So thanks guys for listening, watching. I hope you learned something. So yeah, I did just 40 minutes of explaining. That's quite, that's so nice. Okay, so thanks guys. I'm, wait, stop and